is, I'm downstairs in the cellar, and we have slight leaks on the foundation of our burner. Oh, is that going to show it? See that? Yeah, you see that spot right in the middle. That is, oh, well, there was a towel on it last night. Oh, we got some in the back, too. Oh. We got some in the back, too. Well, my foundation, I have curtain drains, I guess, running underneath, because in the other room, well, let's discuss this first. Well, anyway, there's water coming out of here. So Sharon put a towel on this and sop this corner up. Hang on, I'll get you there. Yep, hang on, I'll get you there. And stop that corner over there. She took care of that. Well, she didn't put the towel on this. I guess it wasn't leaking at the time. So I threw the towel on. Well, come to find out. Oh, here's leaking too. Doesn't look like it's too bad though. So, see, this is on a, inch slab, inch and a half slab. And, oh, that's to make it smell better in here. Yeah. That's when I put my toolbox out in the garage. So we'll leave that right there. But yes, this is on a small slab. You can see it better here, I guess. I don't know. Can you? Can you? Come on, can you? So anyway, that, I don't know, something's going on underneath. I think it might have been part of the curtain drain. And in fact, that's why I have had videos where it just did it. It gurgles. It just did it too. So anyway, that gurgles. That holds up my house. I don't dare touch it. And I don't think anything else. That's the low spot of my cellar. Sharon's cleaning up. That's what we broke off for to do the laundry the other week. Other one. Ooh, this right here. This is the bed frame. I gotta put that together. And this is stuff she wants to throw out too. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do that now. I got other things I want to do, but yeah, baby. What's this? What's this? What's that? Oh, I did that. Yuck. You know, she's cleaning up over here and doing this and it's just, she's been working out on the treadmill. For a while now. She's been working out, putting the boxes on the treadmill. Okay. Oh, well, down here, we'll do the kitty chores. Alright, you guys aren't. Oops. That's right. Oh, I don't need that light. I got a light. God damn it, Gary. Well, this is today. This is the last day for this trash. You guys watching me? Just in case you get a cat, you'll know how to scoop the bin. And you straighten it out for him. Make it nice and flat for him. Oh yeah, they love you even more when you got a flat bin for them. Yeah, right. Oh shit, cats are shitting they smell it before they shit and they smell it afterwards. Hey, you too? Nah, that's crazy. But that's what cats do. You guys getting any of this? I'm wondering about that cameraman lately. He's getting old. Yeah? I'm telling you. Getting old. Getting to that point of, wow, getting old. You know, so I'm leveling out for him. Make him nice and pretty for him. I pamper my kitties. I don't know why, but I do. Yeah. I get a kick out of them. I get a kick out of them. It hurts when one of them goes. Alright, I guess you guys are done, because I'm going to fix that bag. No metal. No, it's upstairs. Never mind.